In this video, I will show you how to add text behind object in Premiere Pro. First, select the type tool, then click on the preview window and type your text. Next, open Essential Graphics and make any adjustment you want to the text. Now extend the duration of your text layer to match your video layer. Then duplicate your video layer by holding Alt and clicking and dragging it to video layer 3 above the text layer. Next, click on Effect and search for Color key. Then drag it onto the top video layer. With the top video layer selected, go to Effect Controls and scroll down to Color key. Select the eyedropper tool, then click on the area behind your subject. After that, adjust the color, tolerance and edge thin until your text appears behind the subject. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.